Namaskar, Adab, and welcome back to our channel, Series English. I'm Adhika speaking in front of you. Now I want to perform about a illustration. Okay, let's get started. In this illustration, I can see 6 people. Here 2 people, here 2 people, and here 2 people. There are Dev, Salman, Laila, Tanim, Kori and Ratu. In this illustration, I can see a post office. The post office color is red and green. The post office window color is sky blue. The post office near the supermarket. The supermarket color is orange and blue. In this illustration, I can see a big park. The park is big and beautiful. I love park. There are many trees in this park. I can see a college, a library, a bank, a hospital, a flat and a school. The school color is red. The college is very big and beautiful. The college color is blue. I can see in this illustration 4 roads. There are road 12, road 13, road 14 and college road. In this illustration, I can see the illustration is very beautiful. I like the illustration very much. That's all my information. Stay with me for the next video. Okay, bye.